Alright y'all, what's going on? It's General315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Jade Ash or Ash Jade joints on deck for y'all to see. These are pretty cool. We know Yeezy comes out with a lot of different earth tones and things like that, and this is just one more of those entries into the earth tone colorways. The Jade Ash really kind of looks similar to the blue tint. If you guys remember the blue tints that came out, it was like one of the original V2s, and it had that gray slash bluish tinge to it. This is kind of similar, except it's green instead, and it really kind of looks more gray on the screen, but trust me when I tell you, this does have a very, very nice green hue to it. So these joints are slated to release in November. That's at least what they're saying. Before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this colorway. I know there's a lot of similar colorways, but this one is pretty cool. It's very calm. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Make sure you go ahead and check out that Reels page. You might see some stuff that I've done and some stuff that I have not done yet, but that will be coming. And finally, make sure you guys follow in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description, and the Discord is popping for where it cops, all that stuff, help with StockX, Go, eBay, whatever, trades. We do all of that stuff in the Discord, and we can help you find shoes, all right? So Yeezy 350 V2 Jade Ash or Ash Jade. These are pretty cool. They're very calm. I'm not going to spend a lot of time because the shoe is very basic. It's just, you know, a standard Yeezy 350. So jumping right into the shoe, we have a really nice gradient of green on this shoe. And like I said, on the camera, it might seem a little grayish, but when you look at that ankle collar right here and you see that line right there of green, that's really what the whole overlay of the shoe, even the midsole and outsole, looks like. This green right here that you guys can see on the screen. But very nice textile. You know, the 350 really, it's a knitted shoe, you know what I'm saying? The most I can say about this is that the structure looks good, the height looks good. It does look like it's a decent shape. We have some very nice angling of that heel right there. That's supposed to be like that. You want that slant there. That looks good. The Supply 350 stripe looks pretty good going down. It's nice and thick here, and then you can clearly see the lettering there, and that looks very nice. They did a good job with that. The stitching is good. I don't see any loose stitches around here. I was surprised that I didn't see any infinity lacing in here. I thought maybe that was the route that they would be going, is the infinity lacing system, but not here. I don't see that. We do have our X's and our O's right here, and that is cool. You know, we got the XO pattern, and a lot of people look at that so they could tell fakes apart and stuff like that. But, you know, nowadays with UAs and stuff, these things are really done well. So it's hard to kind of spot fakes and stuff like that when you have these machines that make all of these materials in a similar way. So, you know, stitching pattern wise, it's going to be hard. I can at least tell you that this slanting right here, this angling of the stitching going down, it looks correct to me. I think that looks pretty good. Same thing on this other side down here. That looks good. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty good. I do like the stitching on here. It looks very good, and it's supposed to have that break here where you have those lines, and then you have this other pattern right here of the stitching. So that does look good to me. The heel of the sneaker does have that XO pattern. There's no loose stitching there either, so that looks pretty good. Like I said, this looks good right here, and it does have some structure, so you can see right here, I push that down and it bounces kind of right back up. We got our 3 stripes right here for the Adidas, and that looks like it's done well. We got a standard insole. It's a foam insole. Not too bad. I thought I would see Ortholite in here, but I think that's only on the 700, but definitely pretty good. You know, nice and thin. It's got our Adidas stuff on there, and inside you guys can see your boost right there. The boost looks pretty nice. Outsole of the shoe, it does look gray. It's not gray, it's more of a green. I'm telling y'all, it does look more of a green. Hopefully this is really coming through on your screen, but it is more of a green, and you can see that boost. The boost is nice and soft right here, and that's nice right there. Heel of the shoe right here as well, you have this like translucent piece right here, and then you have this more cloudy piece right here. So it goes from the cloudy to more of the translucent piece in the back, and Yeezy's known for having that like little patch of something there, but that looks good as well. You do have some extra padding padding in here around that ankle, which is an addition for all of the Yeezys. You guys can see it right there. That's going to be very comfortable around that Achilles and around that ankle. So very nice right there. Also, we have our tag right here. It says Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Originals, and it has all that other stuff on there. You know, people usually cut these right off. Some people I've seen with leaving this on. I don't know what the significance of that is. Who cares if you have the tags on there? It doesn't make sense, but yeah, pretty good though. Very, very nice. This shoe right here, pretty clean. If I had to get another 350, I would probably go with something like this, a Jade Ash or something like that, because it's different. It's got a little bit of green in it, kind of breaks up that gray look, breaks up that blue look, you know what I mean? So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, for the colorway, it's very basic, it's plain. I'd probably give it like a 7, but for construction and materials, it looks pretty good. I had my wife try the shoe on for the on foot. She did the on foot, and it does fit well. She said that it fits just like her retail Yeezys, and she has no issue with wearing these joints. So I probably gonna have to give it, based on her assessment, I'll give it like an 8.5. I think that it was done very, very well. So that's all I got for this one. Hopefully this helps you make a decision when this joint comes out. I'll be at StockX GOAT or any other means. Until then, you guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.